Okay, next I'll demonstrate how to clean paintbrushes. I'm using some hot water here, but not boiling water, about 60 degrees Celsius. You just use this soap. Soap and hot water are the most efficient way to clean brushes. We rub the brush on the soap, then rinse it in the hot water, then let it soak in there. Using turpentine or brush cleaner like this, or thinner to clean brushes has a problem. It has an issue. As time goes by, the more you use it, the less effective turpentine becomes at cleaning brushes. The soap I'm using now is actually just an ordinary laundry soap. After using brush cleaner or turpentine for too long, over an extended period, it gradually becomes less and less effective. So your brushes, after repeated use, may retain some paint deep inside that won't come out. Then the brush will become stiff. If your brush isn't cleaned properly, those paint particles will, you see, accumulate in the crevices of the brush. But if we use this soap to clean it, it can be cleaned very thoroughly. A brush like this hog hairbrush, this larger hog hairbrush, it's quite difficult to clean. We can wash it several times. As for these smaller brushes and these soft hairbrushes, they are very easy to clean. They come clean quickly. After each painting session, brushes must be cleaned properly. Otherwise, your brushes will be ruined quickly. Here's a bucket of clean water. Add a little more. In this clean water, rinse it again, then it will be clean. See, now it's already very clean, right? Let me show you a closer look. It's already clean now. This one we just did, the sticker brush, also. There might be a little residue left in the crevices. If we squeeze it here, you can see if some colored substance comes out. It means it's not completely clean yet. You can give it another good scrub. These are already clean. Color you see inside is because the water itself is grayish. Now they are basically all clean. Squeeze out the water inside. Cut into small pieces. Use paper towels or kitchen paper to wrap them up. After cleaning with hot water, always wrap them up. Otherwise, the bristles will splay quickly. Just roll them up like this. Usually, I cut the kitchen paper into small pieces like this. It's very convenient to use. Then just let them air dry in the shade. Cleaning brushes this way is quite fast. See, it took us about 9 minutes. This time it was 9 minutes. Anyway, about 10 minutes or so, and we can have all the brushes cleaned. So everyone must develop the habit of maintaining your brushes. That's all for this video. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.